The Ed Till Show, but first, comfort is just a phone call away. Call 214-473-8200, sammsheatingandair.com. Theirs is a lot of the buzz going around about them. The buzz is about sammsheatingandair.com. Some real testimonials from sammsheatingandair.com. As always, great service, great cleanup, and fair pricing, writes Peter M. from Plano. Sam's was great. They had a technician at our business within 30 minutes of placing the service call. They hunted down the part to fix our AC. They went and got it, and they had our unit fixed the same day. That's from Wiley Physical Therapy. Trustworthy. They mean business. Wish all the team good luck. We thank them for their work. It's an incredible experience that people are having with sammsheatingandair.com. David B. writes, they were right on time at 7 a.m., performed his services quickly inside the house, then went outside the house and was done. Thank you, Sam's Heating and Air. Donna writes, great service, knowledgeable employees, and service technicians. These are the feelings of gratitude from the customers of sammsheatingandair.com. Tell them you heard about sammsheatingandair.com on the